Hello and welcome back to AV News, your go-to source for vape industry updates and expert retail advice. As we move through 2026, the UK vape market continues to grow and recover following the disposable ban, with further change ahead as the vaping products duty approaches. While further details and final confirmation from the government is still pending, one thing is clear: preparation is key. At Aquavape, we are already aligned with HMRC requirements and actively planning to ensure continuity, compliance and confidence for our retail partners. In this edition, we predict what is yet to come in the year ahead, supported by market data, current category performance and expected tax impact. Single pod formats remain the clear category leader. By the end of November 2025, the single pod format accounted for 58% of our total vape sales. Their familiarity, simplicity and lower liquid volumes mean they are expected to face minimal impact when the vape duty is introduced. We predict continued consistent growth across all sales channels, with customer demand remaining strong when the vape tax comes into effect. Now the second most popular vape format, Big Puffs have captured a solid share of the category. While these products will see the largest price increase under the vape tax due to their higher total e-liquid volume, they are still expected to offer the strongest value for money long term. Once the vape tax is in place, some customers may initially be deterred by higher upfront costs. Ongoing retailer education will be key in helping customers understand the long-term value and cost per use benefits of Big Puff formats. We predict Big Puff sales to dip briefly after the vape duty before continued growth. Clear customer education ahead of the vape tax will help maintain confidence in the value of the format. Multi-pod formats continue to perform well with repeat customers, offering flexibility without complexity. They offer a strong middle ground for those who want a high puff count but want the ability to swap and change flavours at any given time. We predict steady subtle growth as retailers range them alongside Big Puffs to offer a variety of choice. As an essential part of any vape range, we expect e-liquids to grow in line with open system pod kits. It's important for retailers to provide a solid range of popular flavours and brands to stay resilient. We predict a rise in sales in this format following the introduction of the vape duty. As customers look for better value for money, open system refillable pod kits used with separate 10ml e-liquids are expected to become a more popular choice due to their lower cost per use. What used to be a niche format is now making waves in the market. The once unheard of nicotine pouches, originally invented in Sweden, are now making their mark across the UK, with users favouring them for their discreet nature. Recent NIQ data shows a promising future for the smoke-free format, with a 43% growth in retail sales value over a 52-week period. We predict this format to continue its growth, becoming a mainstream category across all sales channels. As nicotine pouches are not subject to the vape duty, some customers who are seeking better value for money are likely to switch to this format once the vape tax comes into effect. The UK vape market is evolving fast. Tax, regulation and enforcement will shape the landscape, but with the right ranging and customer education, the category can remain stable through these changes. Aquavape is monitoring developments closely and preparing well ahead of deadlines to support retailers through every stage. There have been recent reports that China plans to cancel the VAT export rebate on certain non-combustible nicotine inhalation products with effect from April 2026. At this stage, we would like to reassure our customers and partners that our suppliers are actively engaged in discussions with the relevant Chinese authorities to gain further clarity. These discussions are ongoing and no immediate changes are being made. We will continue to monitor developments closely, and as soon as we receive any confirmed updates from our suppliers, we will share further communication. If you have any questions in the meantime, please feel free to reach out to your usual contact. And now the latest from Aquavape. We will be attending the National Convenience Show at the Birmingham NEC this April. You can find us at stand NN10, where we will be discussing vape duty category planning, the latest product developments and how we are supporting retailers this year. We look forward to seeing you there. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next month.